Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel 2021 in Practice Chapter 5 Independent Project 5 to 4. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete similar project Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing, and other courses. So I will guarantee you a 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So we move to the main project step and assignment title is EA Excel 2021 in practice chapter 5 independence project 5 to 4 and independent project 5 to 4. And we move to the main project step and step number 1 is next is open the Wilson Home start a file. If the workbook open is protected view, click the enable editing button. So you can modify the file will be renamed automatically. Include your name, change the project file name if a directed to do so, your instructor and save it. So I have already enabled editings in Excel 2021's chapter 5 independent 5 to 4. And next is question number 2. So question number 2 is group edit and format the sheets. In part A is click the Rockford Sheets tab and press the shift and click the cash flow tabs. The Rockford sheet is the visible to you will be able to see format and change the vendor sheet is not part of the group. So click the Rockford sheet tabs and press shift button, click the cash flow. Shift button and press the cash flow. And next is the Rockford sheet is visible. You will be able to see format and change the vendor sheet is not part of the group. So group the worksheet is cash flow and Rockfords. And next is part B is click the launcher in the page setup groups and page layout tabs and click the margin tabs. So go to the page setup groups, go to the page layout and go to the page setup groups. And next is click the margin and choose the horizontally from the center on page list, click OK. And centers, choose the horizontally from the center page list and click the custom margin and choose the horizontally in the center page and click OK. Click the center, the create the horizontally page and next is click OK. Click OK. And next is edit the content of cell A10 to read the cash paid for marketing. So select the cell is A10 and press enter. And next is A10 and read the cash paid for marketing. So cash paid for marketing in cell A10 and type the marketing and press enter. In cell A10 and marketing and press enter. And next is question number 3 is format the value for a negative number display the select the cell is B4 to B25 and then click the number launchers. So B4 to B25, type the B4 to B25 and press enter and click the number launchers and select the currency. So click the number launchers. So go to the home tabs and go to the number groups and next is numbers and select the currency category select the currency, select the currency category, and choose the 0 decimal places. Decimal places 0 and click OK. And next is confirm the select the symbols, confirm the symbols and 0 decimal places, click OK. Currency and 0 decimal places. And next is select the samples, and next is select the option to display the negative number in red with the parentheses and click OK. Option in the negative numbers in red, negative number is red. Next is to the confirm or select the dollar sign and select the option to display the numbers in red, and click the number is to currency and click the number is to red, select the number, negative number is red, and select the negative number red, and click OK. So question number 3 is complete, and we move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is insert the formula on group sheets. So group the worksheets, and next is select the B13 and click the auto sum buttons home tab in the editing groups. So select the B13s and press enter. Select the B13 and click the auto sum buttons. So go to the home tabs and go to the editing groups and click the auto sum buttons and reselect the B4 to B12, B4 to B12 and press enter. B13 and click the auto sum and B4 to B12 and press enter. B4 to B12 and press enter. And next is select the B22 and then sum the cells. So select the B22 and press enter. Select the B22 and then sum cell in the B52 B21. Select the B22 B22. Select the B22 in the sum cells B52 B21. So type is equal to cell B22 and the sum function is B52 B21. B52 B21 B52 B21 B52 B21 and close bracket and press enter. And next is select the B23, the formula adds cell B30 and B22. So select the B23, type is equal to and B30 and B22 and press enter. And next is select the B24, the value manually enters on each location sheets. So select the B24 and enter the sheets. And next is loss is to the B25 formula B23 and in cell B25. So select the B25, and next is add the formula B23 to B24. B23 to B24 and press enter. And select the A1 and ungroup the worksheet. So select the A1 and press enter, and right click and click the ungroup the worksheets. So question number 4 is complete, and we move to the question number 5. So bullet 3, statistics data consolidation for the cash flow worksheets. So go to the cash flow worksheets, and next is click the cash flow sheets, and select the B4 to B12. So B4 to B12 and press enter. B4 to B12 and enters. And next is sum to consolidate data for the Bureau and campaigns and Rockford sheets. Select the ranges B4 to B52, B21s, and consolidate the location sheets for the commands, and you delete the existing reference in the consolidates, and select the B24 consolidates cash balance from the location sheet. And next is to the B4 to B12. So cash flow worksheet, and go to the data types and click the consolidates. So open the consolidates, and next is to the go to the Rockfords in cell. Sorry, and go to the campaign worksheets and ranges B4 to B12. So B4 to B12, and click the add, and next is to the go to the bureau, click the ads, and last is to the Rockford worksheets, and click the add and click OK. And next is to the for the command you will delete the existing reference in the consolidate dialog box, and go to the data tabs and click the consolidates and delete the consolidates, and next is to add the campaign worksheets B52 B21. Campaign worksheets B52 B21s, B52 B21, and click the add B52 B21s, and next is to the your worksheets and click the ads, and last is to the Rockford. Click add B52 B21s and click OK. And next is last is to the select the cell is B24 and consolidate the cash balance from the location sheets. So select the B24, go to the data tabs and go to the consolidates, cash balance from the location sheets, and click the deletes, and next is to the B24 and the campaign worksheets in cell B24. Go to the data tabs and campaign worksheets in cell B24 and click the add, and next is to the Pura worksheet and click the ads, and last is to the Rockford and click the ads and click OK. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my MylTLab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you a 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So Excel 2021 in practice chapter 5 independent project 5 to 4.